Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Now I'm going to show you how to start working with the calendar VBO. If you see here, let me take here one action stage, double click on that, and here you can see business object, that is internal business object calendar. Now in this I will start telling you about all these actions. First I will start with add working days. It means how to work with the calendars. It means how to work with the date, how to add numbers in the date. Like let's say you have today's date, and in your project on runtime you want to add one more days or two more days, and then let's say today is 15th, and then you want to add two more working days, and then you want to get 17. That is your scenario. So you want to get 17. So how will you do that in your project? So these things I will show you, that how to add working days, and then you can use that date in your project somewhere, because you will use that to type in your any website, or that can be used for the calculation, or like you can say as a check the difference, that is less than or greater than, like that. So you can do that later part in your project. First I will show you how to add working days. So here once you select this calendar in the business object, you need to select action add working days. Now here we need calendar name, date and days. So these three are required. If you will not pass, you will get an error. So let me show you which calendar name we need to pass here. Click on OK, go to this one, click on system, go to system and then click on calendar. Now here you can see this is the by default calendar we have, that is working week / no holidays. Now based on your project, based on your client, if you are working on a client, obviously you will create one calendar based on their region. It means USA, Hong Kong, like that. So here you can select their region, and if it is USA, so their holidays are different. If you select Japan, it has different holidays, right? If you select Hong Kong, so based on your client, based on your project, you will select that and you can create a new calendar and you can start working with that, right? Now I'm going to show you how to create a calendar. So first here you can see there is one file type option, new icon. You need to click on that to create a new calendar. Click. Do you want to save? So I wanted to change that. So that is, I don't want to save that because it was by default selected USA something. So I don't want to make any changes. Click no, and then we have a pop-up to create a new calendar. So we need to enter the calendar name. So let's say my calendar name will be, I'm going to put here USA calendar. Okay, because let's say I can say that I'm going to work with the USA team or USA client. So I will select that, click OK. So this is my calendar name that we need to use in our project. Now here you can see we have working days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. If you are working with any client where the working days is Saturday, like Monday to Saturday, you can select here. Okay, now here you can select, so I'm going to select USA and save that. So now you have created the calendar and you have saved that. Now we need this name, USA calendar. So double click on this action stage again, and in this calendar name you need to enter that. So either you can pass in the default here as a hard-coded value, or obviously if you work in a company, in a project, then you need to have either that environment variable or one data item. So you can do that. So I'm going to pass that USA calendar that we created there in the double quotation, because the data type is text. Now here we need a date and then days. So I want to add in today's date. So whenever my project will run, this bot will run, it will check what is the current date, and then my scenario is I want to add one day in that current date. So here we need current date, and then I want to add one more day. It means today is 15, I want 16, like that. Now you'll see here I am going to add working days. Okay, so first click on this because I want date. I will go to date because I need today's date, and I will go and select this today, right, and then click OK. Now I want to add one day to this current date, so I will just put here 1 because it will take number, and go to output here. Now output is, we have result date, so it will give you the result. It means if we are passing today's date plus one date, so whatever date will be getting, that will be stored in this result date item. So just create that date item, click OK, and here you will get your result. Reset that, right click, set next stage, and now you can see here it is showing here 18/10/2021. It means today is 15, we have added 1, but we are getting here 18. It means 16, 17, 18, 3 days gap, right? Why is this? Because if you see here 15, today is Friday, okay, and we are adding one working days. We are not adding just day, we are adding working days. It means 15 plus 1, it means 16 is not included in this working days. So this is excluded from this calendar, because I have shown you here, because we have Monday to Friday. If I will include this Saturday, then we'll get only 16. So here we have excluded Saturday and Sunday, then this 2 will be excluded, so 1 means 18, so we'll be getting Monday 18th October, right? Now let's say if I am going to save this with the Saturday, save this, reset, right click, set next stage, and now you can see here we are getting 16/10. It means in this calendar, only for this calendar, because here we don't have Saturday selected, only in the USA calendar we have Saturday selected. So we have 16, because 16 is now Saturday, and that is Saturday is not a holiday, this is working days, so that's why 2 days plus 1, 16. So by this way you can work with this calendars, you can play with this dates, and you can add working days in your specific dates. I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.